Well, I definitely was not expecting that. Hey guys, this is Brian with Western Equipment, and before we get started here, if this video helps you out or you find this video useful, we just ask that you subscribe to our channel and hit that like button, as that lets me know that I'm doing my job. Now, what we're going to be doing today is a raw demo and review of the Stihl FSA 45. Now, this is going to be the smallest battery powered weed eater in the Stihl lineup. With the blades that we have on today, we're supposed to have a run time of 20 minutes. So I'm going to strap up with the chest harness. I've got my camera here on the shaft of the machine. We're going to see just how much run time we can get out of this. So let's go. So first thing I'm going to do is start my stopwatch here, and anytime I have to stop throughout, whether it's being to change blades or move positions or move the camera, I will hit that stop button so that we will have a good true time. Now, just for reference, we are 4 minutes and 18 seconds in to cutting. And one thing I want to point out about these blades is that you do have to keep in mind that these will start to dull off just as you would expect. Now, since we don't have that normal trimmer line, it's not going to break off and keep refeeding. But the nice thing is that you are going to have this storage spot underneath for those extra blades, so when those do start to dull out and break off, you do have extras to be able to keep on board here to switch those. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to actually flip this FS45 over just like that, flip it over and put the head down and put our guard out. And now what we're able to do with this machine by having it in this mode is now we can go ahead and edge with this machine just like this. And so now we're going to start on the curb here at the far side of the lawn, start working our way around and still see what we get on that runtime. All right guys, so we are 6 minutes in here. I've done all the edging around the property as far as trimming along edges. Now what we've started doing is edging the actual concrete surfaces here. And as you notice, those blades are dulling out fast. So I'm having to get really close to the concrete to get that to edge along that surface. So 6 minutes in, looks like we are having to change those blades. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, but we'll also show you just how easy that is. On top, we've got our blade holders right here. And so to pop those out, we're simply gonna push down and in. And then same thing here, push down and in, pull those out. And we'll reach here on the bottom of our machine and pull out 2 more. And then we'll just go right back on the same way, feed those through that larger notch there. Maybe. There we go. And same thing here. Now we'll go back to trimming. So right there, guys, I know it's hard to see, but I am really digging down. If you can see there right along that trench, I'm digging down into that concrete and into that dirt, and you can really hear this thing working hard, and it's not stalling out, which is pretty impressive. We're 8 minutes and 48 seconds in here, and our battery is still showing 3. So we're gonna keep on moving along. Well, I definitely was not expecting that. So guys, we are 9 minutes and 55 seconds in. We have edged this entire front yard around the concrete surfaces, and then we have also trimmed everything that needs to be trimmed along our front flower beds here, around the one tree, around the water meter hole there, and all of the other edges. And we are still having 2 bars of battery left. So at 9 minutes and 55 seconds, I think we're gonna be pretty close to getting that full 20 minutes out of this deal. But we ended up with a total time, not sure how well you can see that there, but 26 minutes and 56 seconds. Overall, guys, very impressed with this machine. Great thing about it, you know, you have that 9-inch cutting width there whenever your blades are fully sharp or fully extended there. When you have the new blades on, you've got that 9-inch cutting surface. We're topping out here to right about 5 pounds, so very light. Like we showed before, it does have that twist mechanism and the mechanism where you can flatten out the head here to where you can truly edge with this and be able to hold it straight and be able to edge with this machine. It does have the adjustable handle here where we can move this either forward or backward depending on what's comfortable for us. We do have the battery light here to be able to indicate where we're at on our battery life. And we also have this removable key here. We can take that in and out. And the nice thing about this machine is that it does not have a removable battery that we have to put on the charger. So with these machines here, we actually are just going to have a plug-in port here for a charger. So you just have a wall charger for this machine that plugs right into the machine, so you can easily leave this in either your laundry room, your garage, wherever that's at, without the smell of that gas. So guys, overall my review, this would be very impressed. I was able to do everything I needed to do here, and more. So I would say, you know, if you have that smaller residential yard and you're needing to do the things like we did here today, you know, trimming around flower beds, edging up against the concrete, the driveway, the curbs, all of those things, this would be a great machine for you to check out. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, or you liked this video, we'd ask that you'd hit that subscribe button and that like button, then that helps us out as well. Also guys, if you have any other questions or comments, make sure to leave those down in the comments section below so I can be sure to get back to you. And while you're down there guys, make sure to scroll up just a little bit into that description tab. Make sure to check out that link to 247parts.com, where you can go to get all of your John Deere parts needs, whether that be for your construction equipment, your tractors, gators, lawnmowers, whatever those things are. Make sure to check that out. And as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to check out this cool video and this one. Buy your parts right up here and subscribe right here.